Have you experienced love letter before with your girlfriend before?
No. I can't remember anything like that.
Before
No
the
love letters.
before the airplane landed to the airport, let me say hi. How are you? Before the Carabao eating of the grass, let me handle this letter. Hi, hello. The love letter before introduction ba, babe? There, my dearest pretty Angie. Ay, nako. Yeah, that is
Oh
the
my gosh.
love.